Learn English too.
Gujarati.
Funny after sentences with.
Pachi.
Welcome to After. Hey, you're here to learn a powerful little pattern in Gujarati. What happened after something else? And yes, we're going to make grammar less scary and slightly more dramatic than it deserves. Today you'll hear 5 useful English to Gujarati sentences again and again, with jokes, mini-scenes, and memory tricks. Your star word is
Pachi.
meaning after. If a sentence feels long, don't panic. Just think, first event, then result. Dinner, then escape. Let's start with the classic human story, food first, disappearing second. A tale as old as restaurants. Sentence 1. After we had eaten, we left. In Gujarati.
અમે ખાઈ લીધા પછી અમે નીકળી ગયા.
Listen for the sequence. First.
ખાઈ લીધા.
Had eaten. Then.
નીકળી ગયા.
Left. Say it with me.
અમે ખાઈ લીધા પછી અમે નીકળી ગયા.
Funny picture. Everyone finishes dinner, and suddenly the chairs whisper, run. Then.
અમે ખાઈ લીધા પછી અમે નીકળી ગયા.
Arrival first, phone later. Now let's be responsible adults for one sentence. Very briefly. Sentence 2. After he had arrived, he called. In Gujarati.
તે આવી ગયો પછી તેણે ફોન કર્યો.
Break it up.
આવી ગયો.
Means arrived, and.
ફોન કર્યો.
Means called. Full sentence again.
તે આવી ગયો પછી તેણે ફોન કર્યો.
Imagine a man refusing to call during the whole trip because apparently his life motto is, first arrive, then call, never before. Very dramatic. Repeat.
તે આવી ગયો પછી તેણે ફોન કર્યો.
Study, cry, pass. This next sentence is for every learner who has ever stared at a book and hoped knowledge would enter by osmosis. Sentence 3. After she had studied, she passed the exam. In Gujarati.
તેણીએ ભણ્યા પછી તે પરીક્ષામાં પાસ થઈ.
Key parts.
ભણ્યા પછી.
After studying.
પરીક્ષામાં પાસ થઈ.
Passed the exam. Say the full sentence.
તેણીએ ભણ્યા પછી તે પરીક્ષામાં પાસ થઈ.
Mini comedy version. She studies so hard that even the exam paper says, fine, fine, you win. Again.
તેણીએ ભણ્યા પછી તે પરીક્ષામાં પાસ થઈ.
I heard it and went full shocked. Some news changes your face instantly. This sentence captures that exact moment. Sentence 4. After I had heard it, I was surprised. In Gujarati.
તે સાંભળ્યા પછી હું આશ્ચર્યચકિત થયો હતો.
Listen to the flow.
સાંભળ્યા પછી.
After hearing it.
હું આશ્ચર્યચકિત થયો હતો.
I was surprised. Repeat slowly.
તે સાંભળ્યા પછી હું આશ્ચર્યચકિત થયો હતો.
Funny image. A parrot tells you your own secret in perfect timing, and you just stand there like a broken lamp. Once more.
તે સાંભળ્યા પછી હું આશ્ચર્યચકિત થયો હતો.
Pay first, flee politely. Important life skill. Leave, but with honor. And ideally after paying. Sentence 5. After we had paid, we left. In Gujarati.
અમે ચૂકવણી કર્યા પછી અમે નીકળી ગયા.
Key words.
ચૂકવણી.
Means payment, and.
નીકળી ગયા.
Means left. Full sentence.
અમે ચૂકવણી કર્યા પછી અમે નીકળી ગયા.
Picture a giant restaurant bill the size of a bedsheet. You pay it, salute it, and then march out heroically. Repeat.
અમે ચૂકવણી કર્યા પછી અમે નીકળી ગયા.
Quick pattern drill. Now you're going to notice the pattern instead of memorizing random noise. Very satisfying, like finding the matching sock. Pattern idea. Event 1 plus.
પછી.
Then event 2. After we had eaten, we left.
અમે ખાઈ લીધા પછી અમે નીકળી ગયા.
After he had arrived, he called.
તે આવી ગયો પછી તેણે ફોન કર્યો.
After she had studied, she passed the exam.
તેણીએ ભણ્યા પછી તે પરીક્ષામાં પાસ થઈ.
After I had heard it, I was surprised.
તે સાંભળ્યા પછી હું આશ્ચર્યચકિત થયો હતો.
After we had paid, we left.
અમે ચૂકવણી કર્યા પછી અમે નીકળી ગયા.
Mini dialogue madness. Let's put these into tiny conversations because real language loves context. Also because isolated sentences get lonely. A. Did you stay long after dinner? B. No.
અમે ખાઈ લીધા પછી અમે નીકળી ગયા.
A. Did he contact you? B. Yes.
તે આવી ગયો પછી તેણે ફોન કર્યો.
A. What happened after she studied? B.
તેણીએ ભણ્યા પછી તે પરીક્ષામાં પાસ થઈ.
A. Why did your face change like that? B.
તે સાંભળ્યા પછી હું આશ્ચર્યચકિત થયો હતો.
A. What happened after the bill came? B.
અમે ચૂકવણી કર્યા પછી અમે નીકળી ગયા.
Fast quiz. Time for a tiny test. No stress. If needed, blame the invisible comedy narrator. How do you say, after we had eaten, we left?
અમે ખાઈ લીધા પછી અમે નીકળી ગયા.
How do you say, after he had arrived, he called?
તે આવી ગયો પછી તેણે ફોન કર્યો.
How do you say, after she had studied, she passed the exam?
તેણીએ ભણ્યા પછી તે પરીક્ષામાં પાસ થઈ.
How do you say, after I had heard it, I was surprised?
તે સાંભળ્યા પછી હું આશ્ચર્યચકિત થયો હતો.
How do you say, after we had paid, we left?
અમે ચૂકવણી કર્યા પછી અમે નીકળી ગયા.
Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You just practiced a real Gujarati time sequence pattern without getting buried under grammar labels. That is a win. Thank you for listening and learning with me. Keep repeating these sentences out loud, especially the little bridge word.
પછી.
Practice a few times today, make your own funny versions, and your Gujarati will get stronger step by step.